Hello all, welcome to Cooking Puffs.
Today we are gonna make cheesy stuffed mushrooms. This is very quick and simple recipe. Make this delicious and cheesy appetizer for your party. So let's start making it. We have taken some bigger sized button mushrooms. First we will remove its stem from its cap. Just lightly push it away from you. We have already washed these mushrooms and pat dry with tissue paper. Make sure there is no water inside the mushrooms. We have removed all of its stems from its cap. Scoop the caps of the mushrooms like this and make a bigger space inside it so that you can put stuffing easily inside it. While you are choosing the mushrooms, please choose the bigger one so that you can put more stuffing inside it. Gently scoop out all mushroom caps. We are done with all the caps. For the stuffing, we will finely chop these stems. For the stuffing, we have also taken 1 medium-sized onion finely chopped, 4 cloves of minced garlic, 1 green chili finely chopped, and some finely chopped coriander leaves. We will also need some grated mozzarella cheese. Heat the pan and drizzle some refined oil. Next, add a teaspoon of butter into this. Once it is hot, add mushroom caps into this and lightly saute them on a high flame. Lightly saute them from both of its sides. Saute this for just a minute and keep it aside for the later use. In the same pan, we will add 2 teaspoons of butter. Next, we are adding the minced garlic, chopped green chili, and chopped onion followed by. Saute this well in medium flame until the onions are translucent. Once the onions are translucent, add the chopped stems of the mushrooms into this and saute this very well on high flame. Next, we are adding chopped coriander leaves into this and saute this well in high flame. Sprinkle some salt from the top of it. Add salt as per your taste. Sprinkle some black pepper powder. We are adding half teaspoon of it. Mix it all together very well. Our stuffing is done. We will transfer this into a bowl. This is how it's looking. We will add few more ingredients to it. First, we are adding a teaspoonful mayonnaise into this. Next, we are adding a teaspoon of cheese spread. We are adding a teaspoon of mustard sauce or kasundi. We are adding some grated mozzarella cheese into this and mix it all together very well. Make sure all is mixed properly. Once all mixed properly, your stuffing will be done. Take each mushroom caps we have lightly sauteed before. Take out some portion of the filling with a spoon and put it inside the cap of the mushrooms. Gently put the filling inside it and keep it aside. Put the stuffing inside the all pieces you want to make and keep this aside. Gently put the cheesy stuffing inside all the caps of the mushrooms like we are doing here. We have done with all the pieces. You can see all the caps of the mushrooms are nicely stuffed with the cheesy filling inside it. Now we will add some grated mozzarella cheese from the top of it. We are adding cheese to the each and every pieces very well. Now this will straightly goes to the pan. Heat the pan and grease it with butter and then put the stuffed mushrooms on it on medium to high flame. Cover it with a lid and keep it like this on medium to high flame for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, open the lid and your cheesy stuffed mushrooms are ready to be served. Serve this hot immediately and enjoy. Garnish it with some chili flakes and oregano. If you like this recipe, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more updates. Try these juicy, cheesy stuffed mushrooms and enjoy this as starter, and do let us know in the comment section below how it turned out. Stay tuned to get more such delicious and easy recipes. Thank you for watching.